On time and in time. On time. Punctual, not late. If something happens at the time which was planned. I'll meet you at 7:30. Okay, but please be on time. Don't be late, be there at 7:30. The conference was very well organized. Everything began and finished on time. The opposite of on time is late. Be on time. Don't be late. In time, for something or to do something, means soon enough. Will you be home in time for dinner? Soon enough for dinner. I must hurry. I want to get home in time to see the football match on television. The opposite of in time is too late. I got home too late to see the football match. You can say just in time, almost too late. We got to the station just in time to catch the train. At the end and in the end. At the end of something means at the time when something ends. I'm going away at the end of January or at the end of the month. At the end of the concert, there was great applause. The opposite of at the end is at the beginning. At the beginning of January. At the beginning of the concert. In the end means finally. We use in the end when we say what the final result of a situation was. He got more and more angry. In the end, he just walked out of the room. Jim couldn't decide where to go for his holidays. He didn't go anywhere in the end. The opposite of in the end is usually at first. At first we didn't like each other very much, but in the end we became good friends. Exercise. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.